Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Miwa and I will take you through my sketchbook tour of 2022 to 2024. Yeah, it's 2 years packed in this small sketchbook. This one I really enjoyed working on. It's by Etchr. It's called the A5 Portrait Sketchbook and I got it in cold pressed. It handled the water, the medium quite well, and I enjoyed working on it throughout those 2 years. The reason why it's 2 years in this sketchbook is because I have worked on paintings outside of the sketchbook, obviously on other painting materials like canvases, watercolor paper, and so forth. So these are just some of the artworks, but it's a lovely way to kind of look back. And I have even went back to some of these paintings and worked on it a bit further on to push it if I thought that there was room for improvement. So a lot of them I did go back and kind of tweaked it a bit. I think revisiting a piece is a very good way to even boost your confidence because you can kind of look back at how far you've built your skills as an artist. So I highly recommend this practice. So yeah, and these are some studies that I did of Agnes Cecil. I directly kind of copied her work and see how much I can make it look like hers, and some of these were just inspired by her, like this one. And I also use gouache other than watercolor because I kind of got into it looking at Florian Nichol's work, which I try to copy here as well. And yeah, that's how I pretty much ended my 2024 with this sketchbook. And if you're interested in other sketchbook tours that I'm quite shy about, that dates back from 2020, check out my other videos. I've also posted that here in the YouTube channel. Okay, till next time. See you. Take care. Bye bye.